In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up N8n. Let's dive right into the details of this simple, yet crucial task which we aim to complete in just 5 minutes. To start, open up your web browser and navigate to the official N8n website. This is where all the action begins, so just enter that URL and let's get settled in. Once you're on the home page, the next thing to do is find the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the web page. Go ahead and click on that to prompt the login page. If you're not already logged in, make sure you have your account credentials nearby so you can access N8n with ease. With successful sign-in, you'll gain access to your N8n dashboard. Here, you can see an overview of all your workflows and settings that you have set up. Now, search through your workflows and open the specific one that you wish to back up. Simply click on it to bring it up in the editor. You're doing great. Next up, focus on backing up the workflow you've selected. Look for the ellipsis, those 3 little dots, usually indicated as a menu or more options button. Click on the ellipsis to unveil a drop-down or a menu where you will see the option to download. By clicking on Download, you will conveniently download the JSON file for this particular workflow. JSON files are great because they preserve the full structure and data of your workflow, making restoration straightforward whenever necessary. However, workflows aren't the only thing we need to back up. Let's talk about credentials. Credentials are critical in maintaining connections to various services within N8n. To back up your credentials, it's important to note that you will need to use CLI commands, which are available in self-hosted N8n setups. This step is a bit more technical, but essentially, you need to access N8n through your command line interface. The CLI commands allow you to export credentials and import them back later if needed. It's a best practice to ensure these are securely backed up alongside your workflows to maintain seamless functionality. To wrap it all up, always ensure your JSON files and credential backups are securely stored in a reliable and safe location, possibly a cloud storage solution with encryption. Regular backups safeguard your workflows and connections against unexpected mishaps and make restoring or migrating them hassle-free. Thank you for following this guide on how to back up N8n effectively. Keep practicing these steps to make them second nature, and remember, a good backup practice is key to smooth operations in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Until next time, keep those workflows running smoothly.